Hello everyone, it's Claudette with Claudette's Cards. Today I'm going to be working on a journal I'm making for me. It's kind of a dream journal. I've had quite a journey out here to Florida and it's been great, but right now we're having some financial difficulties with meeting rent and all kinds of stuff, challenges on my job and a promotion coming up, but not soon enough for the rent this month. So anyway, dealing with all that, so I decided to make a dream journal, and kind of like if you're into law of attraction, a manifestation journal, things I'm dreaming about, faith in things working out, and just putting that out there, and a spot to journal my positive thoughts in to keep myself on track. So just wanted to share that with you. My doggy Roo is crying in the background because he hates when I film. He wants attention. So I wanted to show you some journaling pages that I found also at Tuesday morning that I'm going to use in here instead of tea-dyed papers. And I'm really excited about them because they save so much time. And I wanted more of a practical journal to actually write in. So this is my front cover. I got this off Pinterest and just printed it out and inked up the page there. Let me see if I'm in frame. Okay, cool. Anyway, so that's my cover. I might put lace and stuff on it later, but right now I just kind of wanted to show you my thought process and maybe do a couple pages with you, depending on how much time we have. So first I want to show you, I found these at Tuesday morning, these beautiful journals. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, Proverbs 3:5, and it's got this gorgeous bling on it. $6.99, I just about flipped out. And these pages in here were a nice surprise because I started to tear them out and was like, oh no, these actually are sewn in, so I can lift them out. So you find where they're sewn together, and then you just gently pull those two pages. There's a stitch right there I'm going to pull, and then pull, another stitch, pull, pull. I think there's like 4. Okay, so sorry about that. That took longer than I wanted it to take. But anyway, so you end up with this. Love it. So I have basically 4 pages, and so I was able to insert them throughout with my regular pages, with my decorative pages. Okay, Rue. And just, you know, intersperse them in throughout. And then I got another one that had this beautiful flower. It's called Live, Love, Laugh, and it's got the pearls and the beautiful flowers. So I pulled those out and interspersed them. And what I'm thinking of doing is for the middle, I'm going to make a little booklet, or maybe put a stretchy band. Since I already sewed it in, I got this idea after I sewed it in, over this, and have like several pieces where I can just journal. And then you can pull them in and out if you just do a band there. So since it's my journal, I can do that. But from now on, I might just sew them in, or do it that way so they can remove them and add pages, or keep them in and add pages. Okay, so basically I've just got decorative papers and then those journaling pages for right now, and some stuff that I want to put pages on. This was also, or glue to the pages. This was also out of Pinterest. Let's see if I'm in frame. Okay. And I just tore that and glued that in for a journaling spot. You can go to free printables, vintage printables, and find them on Pinterest and print them out. Oh, there goes Roo Bears. Anyway, I just love this. It's very practical, and I'll be able to journal in it. And what I wanted to do, I'm going to add a pocket there, but a couple of pages, I'm thinking, I don't know if I want this here, or maybe I will make this a tuck spot here. So it kind of goes with the bike. I'm not sure yet, but I do know that I want to do this page. So this is going to be right here, I think. And I'm going to glue this here, and it's going to say something wonderful is about to happen. And she's very excited for that. Oh, and then this girl, this is adorable. I got this on Pinterest. I don't know if you're familiar with Abraham Hicks, but it says the only thing that holds you apart from source energy is that you complain about this, and you worry about that, and you don't like that, and you blame that, and you hold yourself apart from the life source that is evidenced everywhere around you. So what we are encouraging you to do is practice getting in the flow. Appreciate, bask, applaud, acknowledge well-being, and you will receive it back 1,000-fold in every day that you offer it every day. So in other words, be grateful for what you have, and you will get more. Gratitude. It's all about gratitude and trust. So that's what I'm learning. And then this one says, be playful. There's nothing serious going on here. When I stopped trying to control things I cannot control, I got a shot of happiness. So I love that. And let's see what else. I'm going to glue this down here, I think. And I told you what I'm going to do in the middle. And then I think I'm going to put this here. Anyway, so what I want to start with is this page. So first I'm going to glue this down. This border came with the paper that I used. The paper was a kit. Oh boy, I can't remember the name. It has those little dolls on it. I'll get it and show it to you, because I love the paper that came in the kit. So sorry, my desk is a disaster. When I work, I create chaos. It's how I think. So I'm going to glue that border on there. Let me see if I can find that paper pack. What did I do with it? Here it is. Okay. So it's this. You can get this on Amazon. An Ultimate Die Cut paper pack. I think it was $20. I got it last year. And it comes with paper and these little doll. It's Santoro, London. I love these little dolls. So I thought that was really cute, and the papers are gorgeous. Anyway, that's where most of the papers came from. Okay, so now we're going to glue. It says believe, always believe something wonderful is about to happen, but I didn't want to take up that much room. So I'm just going to put something wonderful is about to happen. Oh yeah, I want to distress these. Forgot to do that. So just going to glue these on. Okay. Hopefully this will inspire you, and if anybody wants me to make them a dream journal or a prayer journal, I have a prayer journal right now in my Etsy shop that I do need to do a video on that. It came out beautiful. So I'm going to be making prayer journals, dream journals. They're still kind of vintagey because I love that look. But if you like a different look, a more modern, let me know. And just, you know, tell me what you dream about, and maybe I can find images to put in your dream journal and some inspiring quotes, which I have a lot more quotes I'm going to be adding, and pictures, so we'll do some more pages. But right now I'm just going to get started on this so I can inspire myself and get through this tough time. Hopefully things will come out good on the other side. I'm being hopeful. My kids don't have jobs yet, so we're struggling just on my income. And I'm trying to get them moving at a faster pace. So we'll see how that all turns out. So something wonderful, I'm going to believe, is about to happen. And if you would believe with me for your life too, something wonderful is about to happen. I've been listening a lot to Joel Osteen. He's a Christian preacher that's very encouraging. He says it takes just as much energy to believe as it does to doubt. And of course, you tie God's hands when you doubt. So to release God's miracles, you need to have faith that He's going to take care of everything. And He is our source. So, not our bank account, not anything else, but God. He's our source. And He provides. And we have a part of Him inside of us. So, we can do magic through Him, through that part of us. So something wonderful, yay, is about to happen. And if you're going through a hard time right now, I hope this encourages you to keep in good faith and know God has only good plans for us. According to Jeremiah, I can't remember the verse, I think it's 27:4. That He has good plans for our life. That's in my prayer journal. Is about to, and I'll put a link to that down below just in case anyone's interested in that, to happen. Oops, gotta ink it. My doggy's actually being quiet. It's a miracle. See? Miracles do happen. Okay, so since this is for me, I'm not being as careful as I normally am with the glue and stuff. I should be more careful probably. But you know, on video you tend to go a little faster too. So I have this cool border that I put on here, a Martha Stewart punch that I punched this part of the pocket out with, and I already inked this. So let's see, I'll take it down in case I have a long tag I want to put in there. Take this down a little bit. Or a picture. Something wonderful is about to happen, yay! Okay, and then I want to show you this punch. I have this little heart corner punch, I love it. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, super cheap. Anyway, I think I'm gonna do the bottom of it too. You just punch it like that, and you get these little hearts in rounded, subtly rounded corners. So I'm going to put that. I've used those throughout this book. Oops. I still feel like I'm new at videos, so I forget to stay in frame. Hopefully I'm in frame. Let me check. Yes, okay. You can see my mess too in my tiny workspace. That's okay. As long as I have a room to craft in, I'm happy and grateful. And I'm grateful for all my subbies. Thank you for encouraging me to keep creating journals. And I'm going to fill this one with some positive thoughts. So here's another one that I want to put in here. It says, I wait quietly before God, for my victory comes from Him. He alone is my rock and my salvation, my fortress, where I will never be shaken. Psalm 62, 1 and 2. Love that. And then here's another cute thing I'm going to put in here, but I want to make these tags or layer them up or something. If it doesn't make you feel fabulous, don't do it, don't buy it, don't wear it, don't eat it, don't keep it. I love that. Isn't she adorable? So she's going to go in there somewhere. Okay, so next what I wanted to do is, actually, I'm going to have to do a part 2 because I'm over on the minute, so I have to stop this.